Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be cooking okra soup. Yes, and it's going to be plain okra and tomato soup separately. Okay, so you guys, this is how this is how we normally eat our okra in Yoruba side. I don't know of other Yoruba part, but my family, where I come from, this is how my mama usually cook the okra. We kind of do it separately, and this is me just seasoning the meat. Like you all know, as I always keep it simple: Maggi seasoning, salt, onion, and I just stir the meat together. Then I'll cover the meat to cook while I go ahead and do some other things. Okay, so right here in this pot I'll be adding my vegetables, which are tomatoes, one tatashe red bell pepper, and 3 or 4 sweet peppers. And this is me just place that on the fire, and I will be adding water to it to boil. You guys, the reason why I'm boiling this pepper is that I'm looking for this texture. You all know this heavy grinding machine we use in Nigeria. Okay, so that is, I'm looking for that texture of grinding machine kind of, I don't know. So I want to boil this so it can sort for me to blend. So here I have gone ahead and hand cut my okra. I hand cut that one, and this other one right here I just use this my mini hand food processor, if that makes sense. You guys can see it is hand food processor. I just use that to blend or to chop the okra. I don't want to chop all the okra. I still want that like kind of chunky inside the okra. So that's why I hand cut that one and I blend that one. Okay, so at this moment my pepper is cooked, like it's soft to my liking, so I'm just going to take it off fire and blend it, and this is it. This is the texture I am looking for. Okay, so my meat has been cooking for over 30 something minutes now, I can't remember, and this is me just trying to pour in the blended peppers, and I'll stir that together. Okay, our palm oil goes in. This is me just adding the red oil, and after that I'll be adding my fresh mackerel. Yes, I'm cooking this with mackerel, just meat and fresh fish. Okay, it's fresh mackerel, so just add that. And at this stage, after I add this fish, I'm going to stir gently, like no hard stirring, just have to stir it gently, and then I'll check for seasoning if the seasoning is enough, because you guys know I'm using the meat base, the meat stock base. Yes. My English. Okay, so the seasoning is not enough, so here is me just added one seasoning cube and some salt, just a little bit of salt, not too much, and I'm going to stir that together. Just stir it together. This is simple, you guys. It's just like you putting everything together. Just add everything one after the other, cover it and let the peppers, let them cook. Okay, so here into my bottom pot bottom pot, I just added water and I let the water boil. Then I will be adding some chopped onion. You guys, the reason why I'm adding chopped onion is that I don't have iru, I don't have locust beans, so, and I just had the onion just to give some flavor, and I just had the onion. I keep saying onion. I just added the okra. I stir it together. See, this is me adding kanwa account 3 languages. So I just had that and I stir it. And at this stage, see how the okra is bubbling, you guys. This is me just adding the seasoning. It's optional, you can choose to add only salt, but I like to add some Maggi seasoning, salt, stir together. So the only thing that is missing in this okra is iru. Why you go cook okra without iru? But I don't have options. Since I don't have the iru at the moment, I just decided to make use of what I have, and I enjoy it. Okay, so here the soup is done. I've already turned off the fire already. So this is me just trying to show you guys what the soup look like, and that is the okra right there. I've already gone ahead and turned my semo. Okay, I turned the semo behind the camera, so I'll be enjoying this with semo eba, especially when it is eba tutu, cold one. cold gari, you can enjoy it with it. So this is the finished look of our soup, my soup, okra soup. Okay, and thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you learn one or two things, please kindly like, share. Okay, share it, and don't forget to leave your comments. Okay, if you're just subscribing to this channel and you have never turned on your notification bell, please kindly do it right now. Okay, turn your notification bell on, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.